Mastering parallelism with subordinating conjunctions. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of subordinating conjunctions and parallelism in English. This topic might seem a bit tricky, but it's absolutely vital for making your English sound clear, fluent, and natural. So let's get started. Before we jump into parallelism, let's first understand subordinating conjunctions. These are words that join a dependent clause, or subordinate clause, to an independent clause. Some common examples include because, although, when, and if. Here's an example. In the summer, I like to swim because it's hot. The conjunction, because, joins the dependent clause, it's hot, with the independent clause, in the summer, I like to swim. Moving on, let's discuss parallelism. Parallelism is a grammar concept that dictates how parts of a sentence that perform the same function should be phrased in the same way. This provides balance and clarity in your sentences. Here's an example of parallelism. I enjoy reading, writing, and playing chess. In this sentence, the verbs reading, writing, and playing all share the same ing form, showcasing parallelism. Now, let's combine our knowledge of subordinating conjunctions and parallelism. When using subordinating conjunctions, we must maintain parallel structure in the connected clauses. Here's an example. Even though I am tired, I am still able to focus. In this sentence, the subordinating conjunction, even though, connects two clauses that share a parallel structure. Both start with I am, followed by a condition or state, tired, able to focuses. Let's practice with a couple of sentences. Try to spot whether these sentences use parallelism correctly with their subordinating conjunctions. 1. When I was younger, I liked to play outside, but now that I'm older, I prefer staying indoors. 2. Because she was late, she missed the bus and her appointment was postponed. Sentence 1 is parallel. I like to play, I prefer staying. But sentence 2 is not parallel. She missed the bus, her appointment was postponed. That's all for today, learners. We've taken a good look at how subordinating conjunctions and parallelism interact. Remember, mastering these concepts will bring a new level of fluency and clarity to your English. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Until next time, happy learning!